Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. This video is primarily designed to incorporate the installation of Java into your machines and Maven into your machines. So the target over this video is to give you a clear picture of how to install Java in your Windows machine along with Maven. To get started, what I've done, I've just launched a Windows instance, which is an Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, so I will plan to connect to this, so I'm just doing a connection. So I'll just go and get the remote desktop file, click open and open it. So I'm trying to make a connection. It is just to continue, and now I need to input the password for it. So I already have the credentials of it, so let me pass on the password and make a connection to it. Now there I am. I'm on the Windows machine where I just dropped into a URL called Java JDK for free download, and I have ended up coming onto this page, and I will be selecting accept license agreement, and accordingly based upon the operating system I have downloaded. So for my Windows 64-bit I have downloaded JDK, which is 64-bit version. So once it's downloaded, I have the downloaded file here. So let me double click and start the installation process. Click on run. So it gets deployed into a default folder, which is C program files, and under that you'll see Java folder. So now the Java got enabled, the connection got started, the installation got started. Now click on next process. It's just a click next to process. The installation is ongoing. It's a kit 8 update 201, and click on more. Okay, done. Next it is gonna get installed into this folder JRE, right? Fine, no problem with that. So it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes more to get this done. Installation complete. There you go. The installation got successful. Java JDK is installed. Now it's time for us to set the path. So how do you set the path? So click on the Windows option and you'll end up on the search button, and you can mention environment variables. So it will give you edit environment variables for your account. Click on environment variables. There you see variables for your system variables. So click go and add a new. So what is that I'm trying to add? I'm trying to add the path. So that is Java underscore home. So in order to get the value of Java underscore home, what I would recommend you is go into the folder, okay, into the drive, go to the C drive, into program files where Java is installed, and you see JDK. So just copy this URL and paste out here in your JDK file. Click on OK, and also make sure that you add up the path here. So you see something called path variable. Click on edit, and there is an endpoint. So close it with a semicolon, and also make sure that you give in Java underscore home, the path for the Java, closing with ampersand slash bin, that is where your compiler is available, slash semicolon. So that's something which will end your path. Click OK, and there you go. Once it's done, it's time for you to just go and verify whether the installation of Java is running successfully into your machines. So for that, let me just run the control command. So Windows R, so cmd, and there I'll go and check Java. So I'm able to see Java running and Java hyphen version. I want to check the version of the Java. So Java hyphen version. So Java has been successfully installed. Let me check the compiler. Yes, compiler is working fine. So Java installation is done. It's as simple as this. Now next is Maven installation. How do you install Maven? So for that, just go onto your browser and type in something called Maven download. So once you get that, download the Maven file. You click download Apache Maven. You will be reaching onto this page. Scroll down, you'll see something called zip folder. That is the Windows version. So you can get a copy of the zip folder. Expecting. Okay, it's taking some time to download it. Okay, so the connection isn't enabled. So just want to try it another time. If not, I'll download it from other browser, the zip folder. Okay, so it's taking some time, so let's not waste time on this. So let me go out of this and let me just type in Maven download outside of the Windows, outside of the EC2 instance. There you can see an Apache zip folder and I can see that file. So I've copied the file. So let me just copy this file and move on to the Windows desktop RDP server. So where it is, I'm just inside the instance. Just give me a moment. Yeah, there you go. So I'll place it under downloads folder. I'm just trying to make a copy of it from the Windows machine into the zip folder. If there are some challenges, let me extract it so that I can keep it handy. So I'm extracting it. I got this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rename it to as Maven. So I'll keep it ready so that I don't get any issues in terms of zipping of the folder because it's an empty server, so I don't have all the zip based files here. So I can so I just want to make sure that the copy should happen successfully and then I'm going to rename it. So hardly 5 seconds left. Done. Good to hear. So let me extract the file. So it is taking some time. So let me just copy the Maven itself directly. So let me just pull up the contents and let me paste out here. So guys, what I've done, downloaded Maven, the .zip folder from the internet, extracted the contents. So I was facing an issue. So what I've done, I just extracted directly out of on the MacBook, just rename the file. So you just need to download it, extract it and rename the folder to Maven and place it under your C drive. So that would make your life easier. So I'm just waiting for the connection. So I'm waiting for the copying to be successful. I just need another 60 seconds for this copying to be successful. So once after that, what is that we need to do is once again set the path for Java. I'm sorry, apologies guys. Once again, we need to set the path for Maven. Maven looks out for where your Java is installed. So let me get it done. So another 60 seconds more. There you go, another 25 seconds. 5 seconds more. Done. It's almost done. Now, I copied the contents of the Maven into this folder. So let me just copy the contents. So once again, it's my environment variables, that is system settings. So I need to change my system variables. So click on environment variables, click on new. So here I'm just going to mention m2 underscore home, that is Maven home, where your Maven is available. You can mention Maven itself, that's fine, and make sure that the path that you have is okay. Now make sure that guys that you give the path for Maven as m2 underscore home, because that is where your Maven is available, is installed, /bin, and close it with semicolon. So that makes the complete path for your system. Now let's once again run the command cmd, and if Maven is successfully installed, you should get maven-version. There you go. Apache Maven is installed successfully. So as part of the demonstration, I have shown you how to install Java JDK and Maven, the component like the build management tool. Okay guys, thanks everyone, and I'm turning the video for now. Thank you.